I think quite a bit about communication challenges for my entire organization.
I think communication is key in the workplace success. So everything we do is about communication. But definitely things don't always go that smooth.
Your attrition rate goes up because people leave. If you're not an effective manager and can't communicate, people walk out.
We tend to have a lot of information to give, and we desperately want to give that to our audience.
Being concise, getting to the point quickly in a way that also establishes a relationship with a person. Those are the two areas that are really a primary concern.
Our firm's culture is highly collaborative, and everyone is encouraged to share ideas anytime. I've seen the plan used to offer alternatives, benefits, and also a time period, such as previously we did it this way, currently we're doing it this way, and in the future we should do it this way. And it helps the listener consider the idea, and then often results in quicker decision making.
The difference is, rather than formal communication, Think on Your Feet is the only program that gives you tools and effective tools to overcome the difficulties of informal communication.
Yeah, actually, I think it benefits anyone on a team, whether you're a peer-to-peer, or in a leadership position, or it works whether you're conveying information up the chain, down the chain, side, or across the chain. So this is something I recommend everyone. In fact, halfway through the course, I've already sent text messages to others to say, get on this, do it.
That's what this workshop's all about, is getting the participants to practice the skills right away, every step of the workshop, so that it gets ingrained in us. And it's certainly not any type of lecture course, right? You get to participate the whole time.
So very effective and very practical, and you can immediately put it into action.
By the end, it was easy to see the progression for everybody who went through this course. And I will say this course transformed the way that I think about hard questions when they're asked. I can see the application of it, not just here at work, but also at home, and all applications across life.
The 2 days was absolutely fantastic. Great tips, great things to learn if you want to learn how to improve your communication. And I can't wait to actually apply a lot of these things that I've learned.
It was just the right length. It was just the right amount of content, just the right amount of discomfort that really made us think. It's not just reading a book, it's applying it.
The material was very easy to understand and digestible, and it was repetitive in a good way, so that you kept hearing it and it stuck with you. I thought we did a lot of different things to keep us engaged, so we weren't just sitting and staring at the computer, which was nice.
I think it's an excellent course. It teaches me to rapidly come up with a logical, easy to follow answer. Gives it some structure and various tools to help me organize something I need to say.